Imagine you've just discovered a magical money pot that can instantly multiply your funds. Exciting, right? But what if that pot, in reality, is a digital bank called Vivid? Can you really extract those multiplied coins and put them into your traditional bank account? Let's dive in and find out. Vivid is a digital banking platform that offers a unique blend of traditional banking services and innovative features like cashback rewards and budgeting tools. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket. Can you transfer money from Vivid to your bank account? The short answer is, absolutely, you can. Vivid provides a seamless way to transfer funds between your Vivid account and your linked bank account. This flexibility gives you the freedom to manage your money the way you want. How to transfer money from Vivid to your bank account? Log into your Vivid app. Navigate to the Transfers section. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the linked bank account you want to transfer funds to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the transfer. Tips for smooth transfers. Verify your bank account details. Ensure that the linked bank account information is accurate to avoid delays or errors. Check transfer limits. Vivid may have specific limits on the amount you can transfer at once. Familiarize yourself with these limits to plan your transfers accordingly. Consider transfer fees. Some banks or payment providers may charge fees for transfers. Be aware of any potential costs involved. Why transfer money from Vivid to your bank account? There are several reasons why you might want to transfer money from Vivid to your bank account. Accessing funds for large purchases. If you need a significant amount of money for a major purchase, transferring it to your traditional bank account can provide you with the necessary funds. Paying bills or debts. Many bills and debts require payments to be made from traditional bank accounts. Transferring funds from Vivid can make it easier to meet these obligations. Saving for specific goals. If you're saving for a particular goal, such as a vacation or a down payment on a house, transferring money to a separate savings account can help you stay focused and disciplined. Security considerations. Vivid prioritizes the security of your funds. They employ advanced security measures to protect your account information and prevent unauthorized access. However, it's always a good practice to be cautious and avoid sharing your personal details with anyone. So, can you transfer money from Vivid to your bank account? Yes, you can. Vivid offers a convenient and secure way to move funds between your digital and traditional bank accounts. Whether you need to access funds for large purchases, pay bills, or save for specific goals, Vivid provides the flexibility you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.